Okay, so final 7-star case finish it. Turn over, nice. Okay, so this is the frame we're going to mirror. Beautiful. Underneath especially. Beautiful. That's why we want to go to 7-star. That much padding is a crazy padding. Beautiful. I cut it everything. Beautiful. So now this is anatomical. Beautiful. Perfect. Okay, so this is a full protection about the linger, and with a splint with between teeth, which is maximum retention trying to give into it. So this is maxillary about frame design. Okay, and the lower, due to it's really thin, we're trying to add it underneath, close as much as possible, so make splint together and make the more maximum strength. Same thing here with the other three. So which is Titan 7 stars coming up with upper and lower, so now you can get the good occlusion contact. Even my hands mounting is good. Now it's ready to go. We finish it, the case soon. Stay tuned. So about Titan 7 star cases. It's just like occlusion view with class 1 to make the frame design along with the chrome cobalt frame, and then opaque underneath. Okay, so this is a full protection about the zirconia, or zirconia. Right, so here is the same thing. Zirconia is a little bit cut back the facial. You see, maintains incisor length. So we totally protections for the porcelain fracture. That's the key. Alright, now ready to build up. Okay, so another 24 unique cases just finished it. It's coming up soon. Beautiful cases. This is what upper looks like. So before we cemented. Right now it's 2 piece, but will be 1 piece. Okay. Okay, so this is lower mandibles, which is 3 pieces of the cases. So we're going to finish soon as well. It's beautiful stacks. Okay, so this is upper, which is before we cemented. This. It's upper aesthetic with the Titan 7 star. It's up and down. Okay, so this is the Titan 7 star before we finish it. So we tested with the gum, texture, everything. Make it more individual looking with all protection for zirconia, linger. Here. This one too. Alright, coming up. Okay, so this is lower. Occlusion plane for lower, for upper. Okay, so this is it. We're going to finish soon. Now, okay, so after polish, it's a beautiful polish underneath. This is a grand total. finished with the restorations. 24 units, which is 7-star cases. Now just cementing. Okay, so this is what look like Cyton 7-star cases, which is before we cemented. Top and bottom 24 unit with a multiple implant involved, and then we finish the one. Okay, stay tuned for final. Hi my friends, thanks for signing my private Patreon, which is $25. Cannot believe this, I'm so excited. Appreciate your time and effort. So we did not start yet, but Thursday we're going to start about 11 a.m. in Chicago time. And you guys so makes me so excited, so I brought it. It's a great communication tool with our dentist, patient, laboratory side. So this topic will going on sometime this month. So what I'm trying to explain about the first is a tissue color, which is 9 set color indicated for the pink aesthetics and the full mouth zirconia restorations. So you can illustrate this simply. This is laminated, this is eye fabricated. That's why you can see the texture and then color, everything you can get. Not only that, this one is a shade guide from the prep color. So now, how many people worry about the custom shade color because the internal coloring is different? So we worry about material selection. So we're trying to match the adjacent teeth. So I really know about the what prep colors, post-core, dark colors, whatever I really need it. So your dentist can use this. So whenever we fabricate it, and then we can try to match the better color for cosmetic, especially single or 6 unit, lack of room, 2 veneers, etc. And here's another one is to be talking about cosmetic. We're talking about scale, rounded, scale. This is rounded, scale, rounded. This kind of see, you can show them the patient, and then we can see the final cosmetic cases. So we can discuss together. We can check with the side and contours. So we go from there. All right. So 3 things already: smile selection, stone color, tissue color. Not only this one is a surface texture. So finally we finish the cases how vertically, horizontally, or vertical horizontal, or matte color. So we can see that one. Okay. And also this one is the bleaching color through all the way, the different color, translucency, everything. You can see the characteristics. So many my client, they use it horizontal brown, horizontal white. They can send it to us so we can utilize it. So this one is one part, and the other one is posteriors occlusion. I know it's posterior, people don't care, right? But our client cares, so they gave us the all information: occlusion stain, no stain. You know that I'm technicians. Whenever I put the occlusion stain, so I can get a more 3 dimensions of the colors, body color, right? It's all different color, posterior occlusions, premolar colors, you can name it. Now, this one is not only educated, so we're going to do a raffle. So whenever we talk, I can choose the selected the winner, so we can send it to you free. This one is $200, $199. Inside has a slip, and the inside has the guideline, and I can send it to you. But unfortunately, you have to pay the shipping. I don't know how much shipping cost will be. Probably the United States around is 18-20 bucks. Canada is higher, and Puerto Rico is higher. So anyway, so this one is going on. Okay. Thanks for watching, and then we keep continuously working together. This is a private, which is whenever I do, just like kind of a cooking show. So whenever I do, you can typing, so my step and read it, and then we can discuss together. For example, whenever I do the denture characteristic this week, the third stage, which is tough, and we made it, and the patient doesn't like it, but doctor already set the teeth. We process for them. They want better looking, so I'm going to show you how much I grinded. Not only that, they said tissue contour, so I'm going to utilize it with the denture, with the Gridia composite. It's very neat. I can show you the little by little, and then you can ask me, and then I can give you the guide. You will be great lab tech. Appreciate it. See you soon. So excited. Thanks a lot.
Subscribe to Luke Kahn's Patreon to receive access to his weekly training sessions with live chat and interactive responses, as well as the many other videos and resources that he will be releasing exclusively on Patreon.